Good morning, students. So in last video, I've taught you the fourth poem, Strawberries. I've given you the homework on that video. So last day, I've given you homework to write and learn this poem, What a Bird Thought. The poem What a Bird Thought tells us how bird perceives its world. When it is in its shell, it perceives, understands, becomes aware the world to be small and round and made up of pale blue shell. When it comes out, its shell turns into its nest. It perceives the world to be made up of straw. So we have seen the explanation of this poem. So I'm taking your revision in this video. When it grows a little and learn to fly, it perceives the world to be made up of leaves. Now that it has grown up and can fly extremely well, it has left little home, the nest, and the tree and flies wherever it wants to. And when it sees the vast blue sky, the bird is unsure what the world is really made up of, and we are also unsure what the world is made up of. Till now date, nobody knows that what the world is made up of. Hence, the bird wants to find out from us what the world is really like. Means bird knows that the first house of his is made up of pale blue shell, after that the straws, after that the leaves, and after that the whole sky, what the whole sky is made up of. The bird wants to find out from us. Okay, so we have seen the revision of this poem. So what you have to do, you have to learn the rhyming words from the poem. What are the rhyming words? Well, shell, well, shell, other, mother, find, blind, blue, you. These are the rhyming words. What you have to do, you have to learn the rhyming words. Thank you.